This program is sponsored in part by Carl Chevrolet, located in downtown New Canaan.
Because I'm 48.
Well, it looks just the same, doesn't it? Every time you go by?
Yeah.
The only thing that's different is that we had 3 great big trees.
Yeah, the ash trees there.
Enormous. I mean, this wide, and they were great things to hide and seek behind and play.
And the color is different. It was a darker red. It wasn't the orangey red. It was the old Schoolhouse red. And the shutters were a darker green.
Really?
Yeah, that I remember.
People often associate one-room schoolhouses with the 18 and early 1900s. The state of Connecticut, however, had a handful of schools operating after World War II. New Canaan's Carter Street or Little Red School didn't close its doors until 1957 with the retirement of beloved teacher Mary J. Kelly.
You want Old McDonald? No? You want the parade? Okay, we'll do the parade.
The One Room's mid-20th century closing affords us with many of the school's former pupils still living across various states and a number in southwestern Connecticut. A handful of these former students are now docents of the school. They teach during open house events in conjunction with New Canaan's Historical Society. Most importantly, they provide first-person narratives of school life and curriculum in an earlier period of American education.
Yes, well, that's one of my favorite things is you feel like you get to step back in time and really glimpse what it was like and what it was like for children versus now, how the kids are in town and the schools now, how it used to be. I love it.
Rand McNally and Company, map of Europe. What's the table out for a date? 1898.
A documentary film on New Canaan's Little Red Schoolhouse, its former pupils, and teacher Mary J. Kelly is being produced by resident John Murphy. Information on the Carter Street School's biannual open house will be available on the web at nchistory.org.